Hey you guys, it's your girl All Things Adree. I am recording my quick basic get ready with me video. This is my morning foundation routine at school, a 10-minute face. So I am taking the Maybelline ColorStay in Coconut and the LA Girl Pro Concealer in Fawn, and I am blending the two together because the Maybelline Coconut shade is actually my summer shade, and I'm not as tanned obviously in the winter, and so mixing it with the Fawn, that's what I was just doing this day, is how I will get my yellow undertone and kind of make it more so my skin tone. So I'm taking that, blending the two together, and getting the perfect shade for me right now. And so next I am taking a little of that Fawn concealer, putting it on my eyelids because I don't have my Smashbox primer with me. So I'm putting that on my eyelid to prep for my eyeshadow. So I'm blending that out with my finger. I'm using just a quick e.l.f. palette in Brown Bonanza. It's like my go-to for basic colors. It's a little trio like that. So in addition to the e.l.f. Bonanza trio, I also use the BeautiControl Basics palette at work. This is in my work stash that I keep, my work makeup stash. And so I always have a makeup bag that I keep in my closet of just cheap basic makeup because I don't keep like my high-end makeups at school. So I'm taking the brown shade and putting it in as my transition right there and blending it out. And you want to make sure that you're blending. And next I am taking the green from the BeautiControl palette, which I'll link below, and I am just packing that onto my lid. It's Christmas season, I'm feeling festive, and so I'm just taking and patting that color onto my lid.
Tastes like summer, like the first day of vacation. Look like money I could spend, but rather start saving. Smell like the first day of spring, and my favorite type of flower. My favorite. Sound like the type of girl that I write a song about and name that song Sugar. Wherever you go, I wanna come with you. Need a shoulder, you can borrow mine as long as I can see that I'm involved with you. Sister could use a big sister. When I see you, I see the big picture. Show you off to ex-girlfriends so they can try to find something that's wrong with you. Yeah, yeah. My sugar, you would go well with my coffee. You would taste good in the morning. You would keep me up at night. My sugar, you could really test my patience. You would look good in the morning, so you should keep me up tonight. Yo, sugar, you should keep me up. Yo, sugar, yo, sugar, yo, sugar, yo, sugar, you should keep me up. Yo, sugar, yo, sugar, yo, sugar.
And so now I am taking a little bit of the concealer and blending it for my under the brow highlight. I am blending with a fluffy concealer brush. I believe it's BH Cosmetics brush. Don't quote me on that. Just to give it like a natural highlight, nothing too dramatic. Now I am taking the darkest brown shade and lining under my eyes with it, with my waterline. And then I am taking some of the lightest shade as a highlight in the inner corner of my eye and my tear duct.
Taste your sugar. I like your vibe.
Next, I'm going to take the e.l.f. liquid liner and bring the eye look together and line my eyes. And also take my setting powder to set the concealer and foundation up underneath my eyes with my beauty blender. I don't let it bake too long. I just dust it away after it's been on for about 30 seconds or so because I do not like the cakey look under the eyes. So I noticed that the color doesn't seem as intense, so I'm just going back in with some of that green, packing on my lid so that the color is vibrant and to get the max payoff. Here you'll see me highlighting. I'm using the e.l.f. highlighter in Apricot Glow. Really, people sleep on e.l.f., but I really love them for affordable makeup and effective. And it's a glow that lasts all day and really helps to brighten up those areas. I typically put a little over my Cupid's bow and on my nose, a little bit on the forehead, not too much because my forehead doesn't need any help drawing light to it. Oop, oop, oop. Put your crown back on, girl. Fix your crown. Here, I'm taking my favorite mascara, Maybelline Falsies in the Blackest Black, and applying them to my lashes, both top and bottom, obviously. Next, this is just a cheap lip pencil from Dollar Tree in brown that I'm taking to line my lips before I put on a neutral lipstick color. The color of choice today is Avon Honey Flower that I received as a sample at an Avon party that I went to recently. I really love the lip color. It's perfect, it's neutral, it's creamy, and it lasts all day. I added some blush to my cheeks off camera, NYX pinched, and there you have it. Check your fresh. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Mwah.
Something that's wrong with you, yeah, yeah. My sugar, you